we're doing? We're shopping.
Yeah.
For birthday stuff for the child.
His first birthday party will be on Saturday and Sunday because I'm separating it into 2 different days because there's like 50 people who are coming, so
It's a lot of presents.
yay!
Hopefully it's all money so you can put it towards his college fund. This is our little city. Kind of looks like shit right now.
Right now.
Kind of all dead and we're rocking out to 80s music. Yeah, we're gonna see how this works because we've never done this before, so we got a new camera that we're gonna
Record with.
do daily vlogs with.
Yep.
Just got out of the bank! To the car. To the car. I locked the door to the car. Thank you.
Now we're going to the dollar store.
To the cheap place.
Yay!
Because we're broke.
Hopefully YouTube starts paying out. Hi, this is Rio Rancho, New Mexico.
There's a park.
Yeah.
Right next to the bank.
Yeah. And now we're going to the dollar store to get some decorations and other little goodies for for Orion's birthday party. We're gonna try to get a multitude of things, like a multitude. And we're going to get what are we gonna get? We're gonna get goodie bag stuff. We're gonna get cake mixes. We're gonna try to make some wine cake for you guys. We're gonna make some tiramisu cupcakes. And I don't know what this is getting. So point it like, yeah, that should be good. We're also gonna be making another cupcake. We're thinking it's gonna be a lemonade cupcake. So that might be really good.
There's an old couple walking down the street.
They're so cute.
There's a little cowboy hat and stuff.
She has a little scarfy thing on.
I didn't film the park, but there's a church next to the park.
Yeah, it's like a Jewish center.
I just love the little lady on the dashboard.
Yeah.
Ding, ding, ding,
I don't know
ding,
what's
ding,
name her. She's kind of like a hoop girl.
She can be Mona after that new Disney movie they're making. No, where she's like Hawaiian or something, or Pacifican something. I don't know.
That's cool. We'll name her Mona.
Mona.
Finally, after how many years? Like 4 years, you have a name. It's got so much sun damage. She looks purple now.
She's like ashy. Lies and pies. Oh
Yeah.
gosh.
I don't know. This is New Mexico. It's very dry. It's very it's got a lot of dirt everywhere.
This is like our biggest company in the city, which is Intel, which is kind of half in and half out of the city.
Yeah.
It's in Rio Rancho and Albuquerque.
Yeah. Welcome to the inside of my car.
Oh, let's do a little car tour. There's trash, a radio, a steering wheel, a little jar air freshener thing, a Mona, she has a name, there's my legs, there's an air vent and a mirror, and I don't know, a window. What else is there? There's a baby seat, and a trunk, and a cart cover thingy for the baby.
Yeah. And it's really not much to look at, but it goes. There's a police officer.
Oh. No! No!
running on, Barbara.
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 I never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's time to da-da-da. I forgot the words for a second.
But now we're not.
I wish you would tell me why. Build a snowman.
I don't know that part. Doesn't have to be
Okay, bye. Look, there's McDonald's, the pinnacle of diabetes and cholesterol.
McDonald's. That's the Mac Daddy Donald's. What's that picture?
It's Hank Hill from King of the Hill. There you go. I'm the Mac Daddy. Oh God.
Here's the Dollar Tree. We got Viet rice. We got
Fancy.
potato.
We got the bagel.
We got the O bagel. I always called it the O
It's
bagel.
the pretentious place. And look, there's the Dollar Tree, the place we can afford.
Is there a parking space?
No. Damn you, little blue Mazoos 5.
Mazda.
I said Mazoos. Don't judge me. Don't judge me.
Oh, there's people.
I think it said
Oh,
Mazoos.
I'm gonna run you over. Guess
She probably would too.
We're gonna have to park all the way out here. Gotta walk.
We're lazy.
Yeah.
We're lazy. There's an old guy in that van right across the way, and he's just like staring at us
with our camera.
If we can, we will shoot in the store.
Yeah,
but
if we don't get
socially awkward
Yeah.
and embarrassed. If anything, I'll show what we bought.
wish us luck.
Are we recording now?
These are they look like
Coloring. Most of them do, but like these ones are coloring books.
Yeah, I don't
And
think
these
Orion
ones?
wants to look back at La La Loopsy.
Hey, don't judge. Don't judge. There's Madagascar. And ooh, All Stars Jumbo Coloring and Activity Book. It's got Home
How to Train Your Dragon.
and that snail movie and How to Train Your Dragon. Yeah.
It's mostly activities though.
Stay.
Look. Oh, mostly activities.
Darn.
Where's the coloring? Just plain.
Here's all the books that are for $1.
Yay.
It's Walmart brand of Bella Swan.
Dollar Tree brand of Bella Swan.
Who needs Breaking Bad when you can have Biting Bad? Oh goodness.
Okay. Oh, we can get our poster board though.
Yes, we do need a poster board. Oh look, you can put little cones for the goodie bags. Great job.
You're terrific.
We can get little Easter erasers.
We can do rainbow stickers.
Yes.
We can get doggy stickers.
And get them school books. Numbers of the count.
That's cute.
Those are cute. Oh, look at these. For like the scrapbook that you still haven't done.
Yeah.
We were supposed to go to your mom's like 5 weeks ago.
I know.
About 5 weeks ago.
We can get
Some little pencils.
Oh, these are mechanical pencils. We can use this for them to
Ooh.
draw. Okay, these are cute. Look how cute they are. They're little mechanical pencils. Alrighty. So there's that. We can do little Paw Patrol things in there. Stuff.
Mariah's always wanted a tea set.
There it is.
Perfect.
My tea set.
Oh, look, you can get him a little crown that says happy birthday. And a wannabe Elsa skirt.
Oh goodness.
Perfect.
It's boob. It's indented.
Boobs.
Oh my gosh. There's a bunch of baby.
These are like for baby shower. I think on the other aisle there should be some for like normal
more guitars.
babies.
We could put guitars in there.
If you want to spend like $10 on
That's
one thing.
Well, everything's $1 here, right? So we could put guitars in the we could put guitars in the boy ones and something else in the girl ones.
Or you could just have a unisex thing.
Okay.
Who says guitars are just for boys?
Well, I play guitar, so I'm just saying. Like,
that was a flattering angle. It was like right up your nose.
So we're gonna get number 1. Put little dinosaurs around the one.
I have a feeling these candles have something really toxic in them, and whenever they melt, they're gonna like give all the kids cancer.
Oh god. And we got some balloons.
Balloons. Look at the birthday boy.
Aww.
You get some confetti. That's what we need is a mess.
We could just do birthday boy and then put dinosaur candles around it instead. Does that sound good? Or should I do one?
I don't know.
Birthday boy seems cuter. It's cuter.
It is a little bit.
Let's get this.
The cancerous candles.
Oh gosh.
Those can be for the little goodie bags.
This is favor boxes. Oh my gosh, they're cute.
Like a sir. Do they have any other ones?
We could just do this and then put like, I don't know, like make out of the thing like a dinosaur head that kind of is connected to the top of it, so it looks like the dinosaur is wearing a tux. Is that too much?
Maybe a little complicated. Do we need raffle tickets? Oh, look at the treaty bags. They have little stars in them.
Should we get those instead?
Oh, look, you can get sticker boxes.
We could get this and then put like dinosaur stickers on them.
Do you have dinosaur stickers?
No, but we could get some. This is hard.
We can go to Party City.
Yeah, that's true.
Look it up, shiny. This bear has a body hidden in that bag, I swear to God. This is what we have so far.
Yeah, we're getting goodie bags. Cheap goodie bags. So, yeah.
We got little coloring kits, and bubbles, and chalk, and plates, and bags, and balloons, and the candles, and her phone, and her wallet, and the shopping list. We've got nothing of the food so far.
Nothing. We got a lot of this stuff though, so maybe we should just go with food.
Onward.
Onward and upward. Hi guys, we are in a wonderful place of food and stuff. And we got most of our food stuff. And after we get our food stuff, all we're gonna do is get our heavy creams. Heavy creams, sour cream, and cream cheese.
I was like, where are you? Cream cheese and sour cream.
Sour cream, I guess. I don't see anything else. It's cheaper. So.
Unless it's over here, there's some, I think. How much was that one? That's 10 for 10, I think.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah, it's 10 for 10. How many ounces is it? Okay. Let's see. Yeah. That's good.
Okay. We'll just do that then. Now we
Then cream cheese is back in the aisle, huh? But we need heavy cream. ¿Dónde está la cream? There's buttermilk and milk. Half and half. Heavy whipping cream. That's not quite the same thing. Whipping cream is to whip. Heavy cream is to drink. Oh.
Here's what?
Heavy cream is like, I don't know, you make stuff out of it. Whipping cream is like you whip it up with sugar and it makes whipped cream. I don't know, we can...
There's only heavy whipping cream and that's it. Only heavy whipping cream. Sorry.
Look at this little hamster.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those cats
Oh
were
my
fast
God.
as light.
Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, I just saw this. Oh. It's adorable. A llama or an alpaca. One of those. Look, they've got like little babies. See, this is like my favorite aisle. Look, they've got a blue one. Oh my God. And look at the little parrots. The little birdies. Oh my God. And there's a cow down there. Oh my God. So we're done grocery shopping.
Yay!
Kind of.
Yeah, we just need dinosaur stickers and then we'll be good. But we will definitely see you guys tomorrow for baking and all sorts of stuff. So make sure that you guys go ahead and watch it and like it.
Are we not going to do our lunch?
Oh yeah, we're gonna...
I'm going to take her out for lunch because I'm hungry.
Yay! So now you get to watch us going...
If you're seeing any of this right now, I don't know. Yeah, we'll see where we go.
Yep.
Let us decide and then get right back to you. Where are we going?
I forgot how it goes. Oh, Arby's.
Where are we going?
Arby's.
Where are we going?
Arby's.
Yeah!
Yay! So now we're going to Arby's. And there's really nothing much to look at in this
There's
town.
a CVS pharmacy and their rival Walgreens right across the corner.
Like
And
always.
there's a stoplight and they're doing construction or something,
There's
so
our
there's a bunch of...
mountains.
Yeah, there's mountains there. Let's hope that lady in the car doesn't look over and think we're stalking her.
That'd be funny.
Up, green light, green light! Super speed, super speed. Hate construction! Damn you, cones! Not even cones, what do you call those? Why do they get rid of traffic cones? Why do they have these little popsicle sticks?
I don't know.
Why is everyone turning? Why can't they stay in their own lane?
I know.
Stay in your own lane, bitch.
There we go. The smoke world, for a second I thought it said smoke weed.
Smoke weed every day. Oh goodness.
Alright, now we're
Alright.
going to...
Let's see what we can order. So we got our past lunchtime lunch.
Yay!
We got Arby's delicious curly fries and whatever the hell she's doing over there with her sandwich. We got beef and cheddars because they're delicious.
Are the bomb. Those and French dip and Swisses, those are amazing.
And we also got a little dessert down here of chocolate turnovers.
Yay!
Yeah, pretty much we're gonna get fat after just talking about going to the gym. So, exercise totally. Yummy, yummy.
I will exercise my mouth. This is messy.
Yeah, so dudes, I was thinking of like ideas for videos because we were talking about like what to do with our YouTube monies if we ever make it. I was like, hey, let's do a condom tasting challenge. And then I was like, ooh, yay! That sounds like so much fun because, I don't know, just like, No. What you gotta do is you gotta get a group of bananas and you like slide them on like in sex ed, and then you go, oh.
We need to do that. We need to just buy some bananas and some condoms at the same time. Same time.
At the same store.
Uh-huh. And then then I was talking about how me and my husband got some strawberry flavored lube. We haven't really used it at all, but I did squirt some out on my finger, and I was like, oh, this tastes really good. Like, it tastes like strawberries. And then we were talking about how, like,